Hi there. Today I want to show you how to prepare this boutonniere. Is a beach theme. It's very specific for a wedding. I hope you enjoy making with me. Thank you. These are the materials for today. We have a pearl abalone. This is a seashell that I bought online in Horizon Seashells in Florida. It's beautiful, really beautiful. There are another one called green abalone, but this one is called pearl abalone, and you can see why. It's because of the colors. This is natural. Then I'm gonna use red coral, just a piece of red coral. When you buy this online, they come in big fans, but I could just a little piece in this case because that's what I needed. This beautiful wire, actually it's a wire that has been wrapped up in raffia, in colored raffia, and it's very hard to work with, so it's also very expensive. This is something that you can buy on those stores that sell material for floral designers. This very specific material. Then we will use some pearls. I'm not sure it's gonna use the white pearl of these bronze or dark color pearls. I'm gonna use this magnet, very strong magnet. Later you will see white. The glue gun. This is to cut the white that I already cut it, and a scissor. I don't know, it's gonna use this, and probably I will use both. And I need just a little piece of this antique white felt. Okay, what I would start doing is cutting a little piece of felt that I will need it to put in the back of this boutonniere. This is something different that I would use today. I will do today. I like a lot to be working with natural materials. Usually the brides don't request something like that, but when I try to think in different way, or I try to develop more my skills, I use this element and start working with it. So the first thing that I have to do is think who's okay, glue. I have to use the glue. This is gonna be a little bit hard, but I have to try it. Let's glue this piece. I may just put one drop there. It's falling. Oh my goodness. Oh my Lord. It's burning me. I told you before, this is part of the business. Having always the burning fingers, that's the way that it is. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. No, it's not perfect. It's really painful, but it is what it is. Okay, now I have to attach with glue again this piece on the red color. I will try to be more careful now. Okay, touch over here, touch over there, drop more than a touch. Be patient, do not touch it. Do not touch it. That's my best advice for you today. Do not touch the hot glue. Perfect. And now this piece in the center. Let's see. Okay, there is a small piece here that's falling. Okay. Which one is the surface? Okay, let me put it there. Be sure that it's gonna be perfect and a place where it's not gonna fall. Okay, can you see the glue is already on the coral and the abalone. The abalone is getting hot, but still the glue is too shiny to touch it, so don't touch it. Okay, better. Let's see. Still moving. Okay. Let me see. This look like it's already there. This little piece is to, you see, in case that the pieces are still moving and they don't want to stay in place, we can put this little felt here, and it's gonna help us to keep everything in the right place where we want to have it. My goodness, this was had. Okay. No, still moving. Be patient. Okay. I see where you want to go. Hold it. Hold it. Until you, let me see. Still hot. My darling. Let me see. It's not so hot. Okay, it seems to be that now it has a very strong base. You're not gonna take any risk to lose the piece. This piece of felt is gonna help us later for the magnet, because the magnet will be the technical support that we need to put the boutonniere on place. Okay, so this is gonna be, and the boutonniere, this is gonna be inside of the suit of the groom. Do you want to put it now? No, I'm not gonna put it now. Now I'm gonna decide which one of the pearls I want to use. Let me see. Okay, I'm gonna use this one. I think this is the perfect color. Let's try with this one. Let me show you. No, it doesn't add anything to the design, but with this, it's gonna be better. Okay, this has the holes to put the string through the pearl, so be careful. Just one drop inside the abalone and take the pearl from both holes. Yes, so in that way you will be sure that the hole is not gonna show up in the front of the piece, just like that. Okay, perfect. Now I'm gonna add. Be sure you have to put it both together, and that way you never make any mistake to put the the wrong size and the boutonniere. Hold it. You're not gonna burn any time again. Keep it that way. Okay, and now remove this part and let me show you. Figure out that this is the suit where you have to put the boutonniere. So this is gonna be outside and this is gonna be inside. You see? That's it. It's work. It's not too heavy. Actually, the heaviest piece here is the magnet. You can find another not so wide magnet, but it has to be strong, because it doesn't matter if the piece is not heavy. It's better for you to have a strong piece to hold the boutonniere during the whole wedding, at least during the ceremony. Okay? Perfect. This is it. It's easy, it's fast, and I think it's beautiful. If you're gonna have a wedding with the beach theme, I think this is the right the right boutonniere that you can use. It's different. It's gonna be a little bit more expensive than the regular flowers, but for sure it's something that only this wedding is gonna have it. Okay, I hope you like it. Ask me if you have some question. I will be more than happy in answering you back. Okay, thank you.